Okay, if we look at this one, we've got x plus 4 over x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 3. And negative 3 halves and 6, negative 13 halves. Okay, I thought I read that wrong. 6 and 9, and positive 13 halves. Now what we do is we plug these x values in for the x here. So we'd have negative 13 halves plus 4 over negative 13 halves minus 6 is greater than or equal to, was it 3? 3. Okay. Now this is a question mark. We're not stating it's greater than or equal to, we're wondering. Now this is a complex fraction. That's a fraction inside of a fraction. To simplify a complex fraction, you multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. We have 2 and 2, and I'm talking about the inner denominators here. Since these are both the same, then our LCM would be 2. So we'll take 2 times negative 13 halves, 2 times 4, and down here 2 times negative 13 halves, and 2 times negative 6. Those 2's cancel, and I got negative 13 plus 2 times 4 is 8. Those 2's cancel, and I got negative 13 minus 12. And again, this is a question mark. We're wondering if that's greater than or equal to. Negative 13 plus 8 is negative 5. Negative 13, negative 12 is negative 25. We're wondering if that's greater than or equal to 3. These negatives cancel, and that gives us 1/5 is greater than or equal to 3, which is not true. So the answer on that one, determine whether it's a solution. It's not a solution, so we didn't mark that. Now do the same thing with the 6. We put 6 in for the x. 6 plus 4, 6 minus 6 is greater than or equal to 3. Is it a minus 6? Yeah, it is. Well, we got 10. 6 minus 6 is 0, which is undefined. And again, this is a question mark. Since it's undefined, then it's not greater than or equal to 3. So that's why that's not marked. Now 9. Put 9 in for the x. So I got 9 plus 4 over 9 minus 6. We're wondering if that's greater than or equal to 3. Gives us 13 over 3. And 13 over 3 is greater than 3. So this is one of our solutions. So that's why we check that. And 13 halves. 13 halves plus 4 over 13 halves minus 6. We're wondering if that's greater than or equal to 3. Again, this is a complex fraction, so we'll multiply everything by 2. Take 2 times 13 halves plus 2 times 4 over 2 times 13 halves and 2 times negative 6. Those 2's cancel. I got 13 plus 2 times 4 is 8. Those 2's cancel, and I got 13 minus 2 times 6 is 12. Wondering if that's greater than or equal to 3. 13 plus 8 is 21. 13 minus 12 is 1. 21 over 1 is 21. 21 is greater than or equal to 3. So that is a solution. And that's how you'd work those.